Welcome. Today we are going to be doing a review on the Sky High Maybelline mascara. Stick around to see the results. These are my natural eyelashes and I ran out of mascara, so I decided to buy the Sky High Maybelline mascara to see if I get some good results, and I need mascara. So let's get started. This is my first time using it. I haven't opened it before this, and I noticed that it has a very not super thin, but a thin brush, and that's good because it'll separate my eyelashes very good. Now let's start with the first coat. We're going to do 3 coats today. I normally do 3 coats. Some people can't take it because of the clumps, but I'm going to do it just to see how far I can go. This mascara is supposed to give you length and volume. That's what they promise, and you guys are here with me to see if we're going to get it. I like how it doesn't place a lot of product on my eyelashes on the first coat, so that means I can build up as much as I like, and it won't clump too much, even though I kind of like a little clump in my eyelashes, but I like to still have my eyelashes separated so I can see a lot of the different hairs instead of seeing like 5 hairs after I'm done. So we got a little length on the first coat. There is a difference. Now let's check out a second coat to see what will happen. So this second coat is giving me like a full look. I don't think it extended the lashes, but I'm getting more like a full look. I can stop here and be okay, but just for fun, let's do a third coat. So did we receive length and volume? I think we did. And I like it. 3 coats will be my limit for this mascara. I really like it. I'm only comparing this mascara to itself, so I'm not going to compare this mascara to anything else, and these are my results. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like and comment, and if you want more content like this, subscribe to my channel. See you next time.